In this video, we will see how to join lists in Java without modifying source list. First, I will import Java util package, and then in main function, I will create a list of string and name it programming and new array list of string. Created object of our list, and then I will create another one. List string and call it names and create its object. Now I have these two lists that I can join. I will use another list and it will be of string type, and I will name it list and create its object new array list. I will use this string to join those two lists we already created. I need to add some data to this list too, so I'm just going to add programming some elements dot add Java and programming dot add and then C plus plus. I will add few names or items to this names list here. Names dot add and Tom and then names dot add dot add Mike. Now we have these two lists with elements added to these, and now I will add these two lists or join these two lists. I'm going to use this list plus the third list we have created dot add all and pass in our first list, that is programming, and to add names list I will pass in names. Now this list has both programming and name list joined together. Another way to do this is I will create another list. How to join it? I will name it list2 and new array list of string and over here I can pass in at the time we are creating the object of this list. I can pass in the list such as programming, and after that I can add to the second list also to this list list 2 dot add all like we did before. So this one has less line of code and is similar to this one. And now we are going to see another third approach to join list. We can also use streams. Let's see, list. We'll create another list, list 3, and we'll use streams function concat and stream dot concat and pass in our first list and its function stream. So that will be programming programming dot stream, and then the next list, the other list that we want to join, and that is our names dot stream, and then we are going to call collect function and pass in collectors to list. This is a bit complicated, but you can perform or join list with this too. So it's collector dot to list. You need to import packages for stream and collectors. So here you can see java util dot stream dot collectors and java util dot stream dot stream. So this way you can join list without modifying the original list. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.